If your company is still using Viva Goals, I have some terrible news for you. You have less than 2 months before all your goals and OKRs disappear for good. Because in case you forgot, January 22nd, Microsoft announced that they would be retiring Viva Goals end of the year, 31st of December 2025. That is less than 2 months away. Throughout 2025, Microsoft cut all new features and improvements to Viva Goals, but at least they still supported it. After December 31st, Viva Goals will be no more and you won't be able to access it. That means all of your goals and OKRs and all the valuable information in Viva Goals, poof. And before you even try to ask about an extension, Microsoft already announced that there will be no extensions after December 31st. So even if you have a license going beyond December 31st, you will not be able to access Viva Goals. But don't worry, all is not lost. You still have time to export all of your goals and OKRs from Viva Goals. In fact, we have a tutorial video and written article in the description telling you exactly how you can do it, and migrate to a new OKR software that will fit your existing workflow. Now let me tell you just why Teamflect is that OKR software. If you are using Viva Goals, chances are that you're in the Microsoft ecosystem, using Microsoft Teams or Outlook, and you want to stay in that ecosystem. And why shouldn't you? Because keeping your OKRs inside Microsoft Teams or Outlook or your 365 makes sure they're visible and everyone is accountable. And only other OKR software that has the same seamless Microsoft integration that Viva Goals has is Teamflect. Because Teamflect is an official Microsoft partner and it was built to be integrated into Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and 365 from day one. It not only offers every single feature that Viva Goals has and more, but also the same seamless Microsoft integration. You can still log in with your Microsoft account. You can still sync your user data from Entra ID. And the best part, Teamflect lives inside Microsoft Teams and Outlook, right where your team already works. This means you can create goals and OKRs inside Microsoft Teams chat, view goal progress inside ongoing Teams meetings, and so many other seamlessly integrated OKR features that will make sure that none of your existing workflows are disrupted. We know you don't have a lot of time, but that is why we made sure the transition process from Viva Goals to Teamflect is as quick and easy as possible. We offer free migration assistance. That means even though transferring the data from Viva Goals to Teamflect is incredibly easy, we will do it for you. We will also train your admins and end users for absolutely free so you guys can hit the ground running. Not that your team will really need it because Teamflect is incredibly intuitive and they will be working in the same space where they already were working. And the best part, we offer a 25% discount to any organization switching from Viva Goals, no questions asked. If you want to learn more about how you can migrate from Viva Goals, there's a link in the description. But that about brings us to the end of our video. What did you think? How did Viva Goals shutting down affect your organization? Just let me know in the comments. Hey, we release helpful Microsoft content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to learn more about Teamflect, you can click the link in the description. Bye-bye.